Look at this though. Look at this spoiler. So waterlogged. We got literally moss growing out of the spoiler. It's so crazy how much moss. We come from a climate that really don't get that much moss. So just where this thing was sitting, just covered. Look at this. Like, whoa. It's insanity. But yeah, on the side skirt there, it's amazing to me. Hey guys, so glad you're back. I'm back here with Blaze purchased the Pink Z. If you got a name for her, I would love to hear your guys' suggestions what I should call her. I've heard Pink Panther. Had a couple other names. Nothing I'm sold on yet. So give me your thoughts, what you think I should name the car. So I can always refer to the car as, a specific name and you guys know what car I'm talking about. But I mean, the Pink Z. You always know what I'm talking about. So bold. But what a color. So hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. It's pretty windy out here today, but I'm going to give her a bath and we're going to get rid of this moss. See what the paint looks like underneath all of this. I'm sure it's not going to come out that well on camera for you guys. Just, I can tell already there's so much sparkle in it and there's some pearl in it. But we'll see how she goes. So let's get some water on this girl. Alright, there you go guys. Maybe I'll do a quick walk around with you, but I could have done more, but I mean, I don't go out all day, so I did what I could. But man, she is looking way better. This color is so nice, so beautiful there. See the huge crack in the front bumper. Should be an easy fix, I'm not too worried about it, but it's still unfortunate. And then I'll show you this too. There's that crack in the side skirt. Thankfully they're both like super clean, like straight cracks, so they should be very easy to fix there. But man, look at this color. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of this pink. If you like it, you hate it. A lot of guys that want to buy this car kept commenting that they want it for their girlfriend or their wife or whatever. But my wife does love this car, but I think it's great myself. I absolutely want to get this thing on the road so I can drive it. It's so nice. Unfortunately, with all the damage there is, I mean, it hurts, and the spoiler here is pretty bad, and yeah, she's rusted, so I'm probably gonna have to get her repainted or something. I don't know if I'm gonna get her touched up, but yeah, see if we can find somebody that matches the paint pretty good for me, and I'll probably won't attempt to paint it myself. I just want a really quality job. But next up, we're gonna do the interior, so that'll be next time. Look at this picture of the interior. It is disgusting. But yeah, let me know what you think I should name this car. have a couple thoughts, but I don't know. I want to know what you guys think, so drop some comments on what kind of names, and we'll see what we can do, figure that out. But check out my Facebook page where I post more car stuff, and make sure you also are on my Instagram, where I would say on my Instagram you get the quickest updates of what I'm doing and what's going on, but here on YouTube you get the most thorough look at everything. So yeah, thanks for coming along, guys, and I'll see you guys real soon.